Hey, hi friends, welcome again to my channel. So in last video we discussed about the text, okay, and text span and everything. But in this video we will discuss about the one of the most used widget in our screen, that is a button. So basically in this video we will discuss about these button categories. That is the first one, the button bar, overflow bar, text button, flat button, filled button, outlined button, and elevated button. Okay, guys. So these one we will cover in this video. These are the six categories of button we are having. Okay, so let's start the video, and we will start the video from button bar. So basically, what is a button bar and what is the overflow bar? So button bar is a widget where basically we can align the multiple view into the what I say, into the single row. Okay, and if the space of the row is basically filled completely, then in that case it is aligned as a column, in a column, vertically. Okay, and this cover the space of the view. You can see that you will see into the development, I mean the demo. And overflow basically, which is a replacement of the button bar, and which is comes after of button bar. And here we have some extra feature that is we don't have in the button bar. I'll show you the differences into the video. So let's start the video. So for this button, first we will do, we will create one method as we create always. So create, here I'll just create button, one second, button. This is our method name. Okay, guys, and here I have to return as a button bar. As we are discussing about the button bar, let's add semicolon. And here hey, you can see a semi-comma, that one. Oh, sorry. So you can see here lots of properties we have. Okay, so alignment, that is a main axis alignment. And we have here, what we have children also. So let's keep the children property. Okay, in children we in children basically whatever we will keep here, that we will see into the row. Okay, as of now let me keep as a text, okay, as a view, and I'm keeping this. Okay, so let's run the, and before run basically we have to call this method here. Okay, and this is my old project which is I'm using from the starting of tutorials. But in next video, I'll discuss about the how we can create the sign up page. So then sign up page we will basically create a new file instead of using this main file. Okay, guys, so I have run my application, okay, which is run now, and the split screen. Okay, so now you can see the text here, and you can see this text is coming from the right hand side. So for this we have to say the direction, definitely. Okay, so now instead of this text, let me use some button. So let's use some button from this from this list. So we have a text button, flat button. So let's create the text button. This is basically used for basically our when we have once we when we want to create a text as a, I mean text as a clickable, then we can use this. So let's keep here's a button one as a name, and let's save it again. Okay, so you can see here the button one is coming here. Okay, guys, and what we can do, same like this, we need to copy this. Let's copy and paste it again, and here we use flat button. Whatever the button we have now, all button we will use. So we have here flat button. Why flat button is not coming, I don't know. So filled one we can use, filled button. Okay, and here we can use. Okay, so this filled button, you can see what is the difference between a text button and filled button. Text button only text is appearing, and in filled button the button is coming with a color, and the corner of the button is also rounded. Okay, so as per our requirement we can use. Next is filled button, that one we use outline button. So let's use outline button. Again copy and so guys, here we have to use outline button. So see what is the difference between outline button. Oh, what is going on? Okay, and now let's. So this is the text is going, guys. So what is happening basically? The text is going in bottom, and as I told you, in button bar basically we see the view as a vertically. So it's one view is taking the complete height. So here if we use a flow, if we use overflow, sorry, it's not flow, overflow. If we use overflow button, then we can see the difference. So overflow button is now adjusting the things. Okay, and here we change this outline button so that you can see the difference. So in outline button there is a outline is coming, and in our fill button the button is filled, and text button is showing as a text. Okay, discussed about text button, filled button, outline button, overflow, and the button bar. Okay, and now I already keep the this box decoration. So this decoration we can use. So suppose in this button one, I wanted to add some decoration, so that I can do. So for this, before I have to keep the container into the, I mean sorry, text button to the container. Okay, and in container we have a properties as decoration. So decoration we can use as box decoration. So in box decoration, because as a box I want a surrounding, as a box I just want sorry, button I want as a box. So I'm adding I'm keeping that text button one in a container. Okay, and I'm adding some gradient over there. So control save, and now you can say this gradient is coming. So if there is something we have to put, is there is some background color we have to put, we can change. We have, this is all about the button. Okay, I discuss about the outline, filled button, text button, overflow, overbar. Okay, these things we have discussed in this video. And there is one flat button we also have, but this is not working here, so I need to check. Okay, so guys, in next video we will create the sign up page, and one by slowly we will move to the other other video, other tutorial also. So thank you, bye bye, see you in the next video, bye bye.